Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to use this Lemme chill gummies. Okay, so what is the correct dose and how much time it will take you give you results. So in this video we will cover these kind of information. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you this gummies, or you can say like stress relief gummies, is basically used for adults only. Okay, if you are adult then you should use, otherwise you should not use. Okay, and if we talk about like how to use, so basic thing is you should use two gummies twice a day. Okay, you have to take two gummies twice a day, but in the starting phase, first starting week, you should use one gummy twice a day, and after 1 week you should take like two gummies after you can select twice a day. Okay, two in the morning and two in the evening. After breakfast you can use, or after you can select dinner you can also use. So you can take two gummies twice a day. Okay, so if you have any kind of issues you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if we talk about what are the precautions you should take, the first precaution is like you should adult, and if you are any conditions related to pregnancy and all, you should avoid. And if you have any kind of condition which is related to you can say like any kind of diseases, you can say like chronic diseases, you should avoid. You should consult your doctor at least once. Okay, so this is the information. And how much time it will take you give you results. So it will take approx like 6 to 8 weeks, and after 6 to 8 weeks you will see lots of change. Okay, so if you have any issues, so make a comment, I will reply you very soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.